Do you want to see $10 withdraw from this particular app right here? Well, you have to watch this video because I actually made $10 by watching video. So today I want to show you guys the process, and I also want to answer some of your questions. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you the pros and the cons of this particular app, because a lot of people have been asking me to show withdrawal proof. Can you show us withdrawal proof? So today I decided to create this video to try to place my withdrawal to see. By the end of this video, you are going to decide if this platform actually worth joining or if it's just a complete waste of time. So let's dive right in. Right here, I review different platforms on how to earn money online, and I found an app on Google Play Store that I want to talk about today. So if you want to be getting more information from my YouTube channel, just make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. This is a clear warning and a total disclaimer. The content in this video might be considered harmful or dangerous content, but note that this video is intended for educational purposes. I'm doing this video for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. That's a total disclaimer, and this is just to raise an awareness. Also note that earning money online requires risk. If you're ready to take the risk, well, you can go ahead and start. And also note that there are affiliate links in the comment section and in the description of this particular video, and if you are to click on these links, I might earn a commission from that, but that does not affect the viewer in any way. You're free to do your own research before you join any platform that you find on my YouTube channel, and the content posted on this channel is actually valid based on the production date. I have a lot of favorite creators on YouTube, so I was scrolling through one of them, their channel on YouTube. So I love his content because he talks about how to make money online, and I scrolled through most of his videos, and I saw a particular video he talked about that was months ago. In this video, he was actually talking about the Cheelee app in this particular video. So he actually reviewed this app, he shared his opinion about this particular app, and I saw it as a challenge. In this particular video, I'm going to be sharing my experience right here about this particular platform right here called the Cheelee app, and also I'm also going to be telling you what I went through, and I'm also going to be telling you how I earned from the platform and all my experiences that I got from this platform and all the complaints I've been getting so far from this platform. So if you're ready to know what I went through from this particular app here called the Cheelee app, well, you have to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So the first thing is that you have to actually download this app from the Google Play Store. 4.5 stars on Google Play Store and over 10 million downloads. And if you look at this app, they say that you can watch videos here and earn money online. That is what this app says. And all what you have to do is for you to download the app and get started. Please, guys, I'm going to be dropping my affiliate link below. You can check it out so that you can actually support my channel by using my affiliate link to start if you are interested. So right here in this particular platform, once you register, this is how your home screen will look like. On this platform, they have different things you can do. Here, set up your profile, your name. Click on these 3 lines at the top. You're going to see manage account, security, social boost, and content settings, and so on. About this app, let's click on about down here and check this out because it's actually very, very important. Now, this support is for you to contact their customer service in case you have problems on this platform. Let's talk about different features that are on this particular platform. Primarily, there are 3 ways you can actually earn money on this platform. Number 1 is by watching videos on their homepage right here, and number 2 is by posting content. Now, if you look at this particular content, you're going to see that right here, I can actually gift this person some money right here. So you can actually donate to this person. So this is the second way you can make money here. Number 1 is by watching the videos. Number 2 is by actually posting the videos. And number 3 is through their referral program. Those are the 3 primary ways of earning money right here. So let's check one after the other. So the first one, watching videos. So all what you have to do, just come down here every single day and scroll through their feed, and you actually watch these videos. And once you watch this video, you're going to notice that these coins are actually popping up, and the more the coins right here, it means that you're actually earning on the platform. Now, they have limits to this. They have a lot of limits to this, which means you have to buy their glasses. Come here and click on marketplace. You can use these glasses to actually expand your limit on this platform. That is what they said. If you buy this glass right here, you can actually earn up to $19 from this. So I bought this glass before. I'm going to be showing you guys $3 glass, and you earn up to $9 right here in total. That is what they said. I bought $6, I bought $12, so I've buy all these, and that is where the glasses come in. So you have to buy the glasses. So how can you do that? The desired glass you want to buy, just click on buy, and they'll bring you to this page. Read more what this glass can offer me. Once you read and you like it, go ahead and click on buy. You can pay with Naira. Now, I've heard a lot of people complain that they cannot pay. So based on what I'm seeing here, so go ahead and click on buy, and they'll open account details for you that you can make the payment and you buy a glass of $6. You come down to this place, they say N. Once you come here, you're going to see your glasses here. They'll give you this glass for free. As you can see, my own actually expired. I bought this one with $6. So I'm currently using this particular glass right now. I bought this one for $12 right here. They are going to give you some minutes to watch right here every single day. So me, I have 18 minutes right here that I can watch for 18 minutes every day. Now, don't go beyond that 18 minutes. If you go beyond that 18 minutes, they might block your account. A box like this is going to pop up and you just click on it. Let me click on later. That is how you actually use this particular platform, guys. It's very, very simple. You come down here and click on invite right here. You copy your referral link right here, invite your friend. You can join the affiliate program. That's another way. And you're going to click on wallet. That's their wallet, and you're going to see your wallet. So as you can see, I have up to $14. I need to come here and click on daily. These are the earnings I've earned so far. You can see my earnings on this platform. You can see now these boxes means the one I watch videos. You can see, and the referral is my affiliate. So you can see. So you can see right here. This was my last withdrawal on this platform. I sold 5 Lee right here. And you can see this was my last withdrawal right here on this particular platform. So I'm going to, if you check very well, you're going to see that you're going to see a lot of selling. You can see this is another one right here. I sold another 5 Lee. You can see. So I want to withdraw again today. Let me come here and click on sell Lee. Let's see if I'll be able to withdraw today, guys. So I have 6 Lee right here in my balance. Let me select Naira. So I'm going to come down here and put bank transfer. That's it. So I'm going to come here and put the amount of Lee I want to sell. So let me say I want to sell, I have 6 Lee. Let me say I want to sell 5 Lee. So now 5 Lee right here is going to give me 12,000 Naira. So 1 Lee on this platform, 1 Lee is 3,600 Naira. So 5 Lee is going to give me 18,000 Naira. But they charge me up to 6,000 Naira for transaction fee, and they are going to send 12,000 to my account. So let me go ahead and click on confirm. Let's see. I'm going to click on confirm right here. I'm going to come down here and put in my details to withdraw. Okay, I'm going to fill in my details for withdrawal. I'm going to click on confirm. Guys, let's see if this will be successful. I don't really know. So you can see my withdrawal has been placed successfully on this platform. You can see you're going to receive this money very, very early. Sometimes it takes 24 hours, 48 hours to 72 hours, just like what you see here. Sometimes it takes 72 hours to receive, but sometimes you receive it very, very fast. And sometimes they cancel the withdrawal. That's the problem I have with this particular platform. What are the pros and the cons of this platform? Now, the pro is that you can actually earn money here by watching video. You can earn money here. You can withdraw your money, which I have done. And you can also create content here and make money from your content, which I have done. And the cons is that the charges is too much, up to 30% of your earnings. You understand? If you want to withdraw, it's too much. And another con is that you cannot use it for free. Even if you use it for free, you must buy glasses before you can withdraw. If you don't buy the glass, you cannot withdraw. Another con is that they can actually deactivate your account at any time. That is the problem. A lot of people have been complaining about this platform that they actually deactivate the accounts because of 1 or 2 misunderstanding. So they deactivate the account. Their customer service don't even want to bring back the account for no reason. So that is the problem with this platform. So it's actually risky. This is totally risky. Like this video, share this video, subscribe for more content coming your way. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.